Hello everybody! So we're here to show you our newest pattern, which is the very lovely Josephine, named after, well, it's a French name, because we chose that because we felt like this was very sort of understated French chic, and in fact that's what inspired me, and I can see myself wearing this with jeans in a very casual way, probably most days, but also in the evenings as well, in a black, because obviously I've got it on this ivory, and it's really nice in the day, but I think in a black it would be lovely. So it's a wrap blouse. You know we love a wrap here. We haven't done all the wraps yet. So this is very different from the other wrap blouses. It's very simple. The length is different. So if you think about our Ella blouse, that is much more fitted, and also it's shorter. So this is a really good length, so you can wear this comfortably over jeans without a gap. We've got this beautiful detail, which is the kind of my favourite feature. But if you're not someone that likes kind of detail like that, then you can make it like Jemima's, which is really simple, and classic cuff, which is really nice, and you can see there's a really nice little detail of that being rounded, which is marrying in with the scalloping there. The way it works is there's a tie at the side, and then on the inside there's a little kind of jigger button, sort of little button on the side seam, and a little loop, elastic loop. So that's how it fastens. And you'd think that it would open, but it doesn't. It's the magic wrap. It really doesn't. And although this is on the bias, the actual bodice parts, because it's stabilised properly, it really doesn't stretch. So yeah. I love that it's sort of, it's just
very floaty.
Yeah. That is also really comfy because it's loose and it's not overly fitted. So yeah, nice one for spring because it's going to feel cool, but also
still got the
long
sleeves.
sleeves. So perfect for this time of year.
Yeah. So in terms of fabric, we did ask for the photo shoot in plains because we really wanted to show off the scallop detail, but you can see that Rosie's got this really pretty print as well, so it works with both, I think. You want something that's going to press really nicely, particularly if you're doing the scallop version, so something like a viscose is perfect, really. Nothing that's too much bounce, you just want it to press really nicely.
Yeah, so silks are good.
Silks,
so yes, you could do
beautiful.
A silk crepe or a silk chiffon or a silk georgette, just not polyester.
And then we were thinking as well, you could be brave and do a sheer fabric and wear maybe like a little slip underneath, like an orderly top underneath. I think that would be lovely.
Yeah, really nice. And I'd actually quite liked, if you wanted more length, you could actually just layer, you could make an orderly top in the same fabric and have it, or do a tonal thing and have a nice layering, because layering is very big at the moment, isn't it?
It is.
It's a big thing. Not that we're trend following, we do what suits us, but I think that's quite a nice way of getting extra length in and a bit more interest as well.
So in terms of level, there are some slightly fiddlier details. Obviously you've got the cuff that Lisa mentioned, and the binding there, and the scallop. So we have put it as an intermediate pattern as well because of the sort of fabrics you'll be using. But there is help coming. So if you are a confident beginner, or you think you're just branching intermediate but are a bit worried, we're going to have a tutorial on Stitch School showing you how to sew the scallops and how to position them on the blouse as well, because the scallops have been drafted individually for each size. There's been a lot of detail that's gone into it to make it sit perfectly whatever size you're making. So that help is coming. And obviously, like all our patterns, all our new releases, it's available in sizes 6 to 30. And if you're looking for it on Instagram, somewhere like that, you can always have a look out for the hashtag SOI Josephine blouse, and that will help you share your own blouse, but also look for others for inspiration as well.
Yeah, that is just the best thing, I think, before anyone generally, especially at the beginning, when you haven't seen that many pop up on your feed, searching for the hashtag, there will always be our lovely pattern insiders that have made it first. And just that will sometimes helps you visualise the version that's more suited to your style, or gives you an idea with fabric, and confidence.
Yeah, definitely. It's always the first thing I do when I'm thinking about a new pattern. Have a scroll through.
Yeah, exactly. Fab. I think we've remembered everything.
I think so,
yeah. I think hopefully Alma sent us a list and we've tried to do it all. So that's great, yay.
So looking forward to seeing all
definitely, really am. So please share them.
Yeah, let us know.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you soon.
Bye.